Hello friends, welcome to Somyo Education. In today's video, we are going to write, learn and discuss 10 important lines on elephant. Let's start. Number 1. The elephant is a wild animal. Number 2. It has 4 legs. Number 3. It has 2 curved tusks. Number 4. It has a large body. Number 5. It has 2 eyes. Number 6. It has 2 ears. Number 7. It has a long trunk. Number 8. It has a short tail. Number 9. It is grey in color. Number 10. It lives in forest. So thank you friends. These are 10 lines about elephant. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.